Welcome to the World News Updates channel, bringing you updates and events from around the world. From the most relevant to the most curious news. Stay tuned to our channel and never miss important news again. Today, the European Commission made the decision to refer Slovakia to the Court of Justice of the European Union due to its failure to adequately address the issue of discrimination against Roma children in education. The EU rules on racial equality are clear, with Directive 2000/43/EC strictly prohibiting discrimination on the grounds of ethnic origin in key areas of life, including education. However, in Slovakia, Roma children are frequently placed in special schools for pupils with mild mental disabilities, and those who attend mainstream education are often segregated in separate classes or schools. The Commission began an infringement procedure against Slovakia in 2015, and a reasoned opinion was sent in 2019. Slovakia has since undertaken a series of legislative reforms and adopted several strategies and action plans to foster Roma inclusion in education. However, the Commission has concluded that the reforms undertaken so far are insufficient after carefully assessing those measures and monitoring the situation on the ground. Roma children in education in Slovakia continue to face discrimination, as confirmed by the European Union Agency for Fundamental Rights Roma survey. In Slovakia, 65% of 6 to 15-year-old Roma pupils attend schools where all or most pupils are Roma, which is a 5 percentage point increase compared to 2016. This makes Slovakia the EU member state with the highest share of Roma segregation in education. Although there have been some improvements in the EU, particularly in the area of education, Europe still has a long way to go to achieve real equality for Roma. Marginalization persists, and many Roma continue to face a combination of discrimination, anti-Gypsyism, and socio-economic exclusion in their daily lives. The EU Roma Strategic Framework for Equality, Inclusion, and Participation for 2020 to 2030 was adopted by the Commission in October 2020, and was the first direct action implementing the EU Anti-Racism Action Plan 2020 to 2025. The framework includes objectives such as cutting at least in half the proportion of Roma children attending segregated primary schools to ensure that by 2030 less than 1 in 5 Roma child attend schools where most or all children are Roma. In January 2023, the Commission published its assessment report of the member states' national Roma strategic frameworks, where it stressed that on desegregation in education and housing, national plans do not appear to be sufficient to successfully address the full extent of the problem. Therefore, it is crucial for member states to take urgent and effective action to ensure equal opportunities and full inclusion for Roma people. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.